Hello, my name is Adonau from Rivers Radical Rides. Today, a special feature in the video introduction. We're gonna do a shout out to our buddy Bernie over at Kaza Auto Parts in Henmer. We're not getting paid to advertise the business. We're just showing a little local support to his business because he always gets our shit to fix our cars. Anyhow, today on Rivas Radical Rides, we're going to do a little test and tune for the future feature of snow racing with the cars on the oval track. So we're going to go live with Luke on location, and we're going to see what a Toyota Corolla is going to do for this year's competition.
Fuck sakes. Fuck, just see if it starts first. If it doesn't start, we'll go back and get some cables. Probably won't. Yes.
Okay, this is drift number 1 of many. Do it again.
What?
Another one.
That was bad.
That was bad.
Excuse me.
Drift number 2 of many. What happened?
Tire pop? I heard it.
So, drifting equals tire pop.
Alright, so Rio's Radical Rides. Was drifting in the Corolla here. A little banged up, no big deal. And seems to have gotten it flat. You know, shit happens, right? So we're gonna put the spare on, and Aaron's gonna show us how.
Why the fuck do I have to show you?
Oh, fuck you! You did a good job taking that shit out. So first you want to detorque your lug nuts while the car is still on the ground, and you're gonna do so with your foot and like that.
I don't think it's working.
I don't think it's the right size. Nope. Try. Come on. You can get it. Nope. Is it loose? Is it loosening? No? Sure? Oh, yeah. So, that's the end of that. Because, we got the wrong size. Fuck. Well, we're gonna drive on it and ruin the tire.
What about the lateral?
Okay, tire's still flat. Coming to you live from the Alero. Gotta somehow get the trunk open. I think it's got an electric button unless you get the key. See if that one's got the right wrench so we can change the tire. Yes. Thank you. That's where the key goes if anyone wants to steal this car. It's a fine automobile.
Stupid GM setup.
Setup P. Where's the wrench though? Oh, it's underneath all that shit.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, no. What the fuck? Oh, you fucker. I'm gonna film.
Oh. What the fuck?
There you go. Okay, so we'll get the little wrench. It's the right size. Someone fucking changed the lug nuts on this car. So you're gonna want to do is loosen off your lug nuts, like so. And then right, so you get your little
We need to crank it.
quarter-ton jack here, whatever the fuck it is. Crank it by hand to the appropriate height.
What you assume is right.
Shut up. Yeah, start talking like that too.
I know.
November's done. So apparently no height is the appropriate height. Oh, come on. Ow. Ow. There you go. Give her. Oh, this is going to be nice. Don't mind the smoke coming from the car. While he's cranking, I'm going to take the lug nuts off.
Too much effort.
That's a really crappy jack. It's a really crappy jack. Oh, that one's still holding. There you go. Having a hard time?
Yeah. It's stiff.
Oh, we should put the e-brake on.
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's rolling back, you don't see it?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh yeah, if it holds. Give it a shot. Okay, so the tire's stuck on. We tried pretty much nothing to get it off, so we're gonna try this. Oh, that doesn't work.
Watch out, Luke.
Fuck. Okay. You hit the car, fuck. You gotta hit the tire though.
I am.
No! There you go, fuck. You hit the ear, fuck. Ah. You gotta go a little bit higher there.
What'd you do with the lug nuts?
They're right here.
It's rolling.
Yeah, I know. Come on. It's only for a minute. Okay, now you want to do your brake inspection at the same time. Inspect for body damage, maybe. That's probably our biggest issue here. You're oh, hurry up.
Hold on.
Fuck's sakes. No, it's going lower. Okay, we're gonna get the GM jack over there to back up this Toyota one. Alright, so we got the backup jack out of the Alero. Now if you're on the side of the road and this happens to you, you probably don't have an Alero to back up on, but we do, so this is how it's done with an Alero jack on a Toyota. Stay tuned.
catching.
There you go. That's much better.
I'd say. That's high enough yet?
Nope. It's close.
I should probably use two hands, it'll go, but I'll do it here.
I'll just tighten out the lug nuts, and that's how you change a spare.
Semi change a spare.
Semi.
Semi.
Well, if you don't have an Alero, you would have been fucked in this situation. What do we do?
For sure.
Well, we drove to the Alero. You're not supposed to drive on a flat. You're gonna ruin your tires if you drive on flats. So we did. Have a nice day. So that's how it looks when it's all back together. The 4 lug nuts and your wheel, and your jack's still under the car. Go.
Oh yeah.
Disconnect the e-brake. Okay.
Reverse?
Yeah, give her. Oh, dude, we got a problem. Okay, try forward. You're not getting traction. Okay, hold on, we're gonna try something here. So, no one's driving the car. Oh, there she goes. Oh, just let it go. You got your other jack. Oh, it's gonna stall. There, see? See? And that's how you get it off the jack. Bye, car.
It's spinning.
It's still running. So, we found the car. Spinning.
Short time later.
Okay, I'm gonna shut it off before it blows up. Oh! Perfect.
What the fuck?
Oh! Whoa! Where's the... Oh, do you trust it? I trust it. I'll tighten it over there. Oh, the door doesn't open now.
We're good. You want to do it again, don't you?
Oh, not in that. That's still good.